Different results in idle and Python shell using is. I am exploring Python is versus equals equals. When I was exploring it, I find out if I write following in a Python shell and I'm typing A is B, it gives me output as false. But when I write the following code in a Python editor and run it, I get true. Can anyone explain why I am getting two different results of the same variables and expression?
You should not rely on is for comparison of values when you want to test equality. The is keyword compares ids of the variables, and checks if they are the same object. This will only work for the range of integers, -5256, in Python, as these are singletons. These values are cached and referred to, instead of having a value stored in memory. See what's with the integer cache maintained by the interpreter. This is not the same as checking if they are the same value. As for why it behaves differently in a REPL environment versus a past script, see different behavior in Python script and Python idle. The gist of it is that a past script parses the entire file first, while a REPL environment like IPython or an idle shell reads lines one at a time. A equals 10.24 and B equals 10.24 are executed in different contexts, so the shell doesn't know that they should be the same value.
In Python editor. Output. If we relate this to C, then 2,079,604,112, 2,079,602,604,112 are actually the memory address. Here in Python it is the unique i.d. comma which are same in Python editor. In shell, giving different unique ID. So when is used for comparison it compares the unique IDs, that's why you are getting different answers. Hope you finds this helpful.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.